Hello and good morning. Welcome to Officer Adda 24/7. I'm Suprabha, your retail banking and wealth management mentor. Today we are going to discuss about the what is exactly retail banking and wealth management, and what is the role of retail banking and wealth management in the banking industry, right? So prior to that, I'll just tell you what is a retail banking and what is a wealth management. See, earlier retail banking was one of the subject in the CIB. It was in the CIB, that is the name was retail banking. Now it is one of the subject in the retail banking and wealth management in JIB. So now it got shifted to from JIB to from CIB to JIB, right? So today we are going to discuss what all are modules and what all are things which are going to covered in the retail banking and wealth management. See, we have the four modules in retail banking, that is module A, module B, then module C and module D. We have first module, that is module A. It is basically a introduction of retail banking. So here we will have the introduction of retail banking. First, that is definition and description of retail banking. Then advantage we will learn and constraint of retail banking. What all are the advantage, what all are the constraint of retail banking. Prerequisites of current retail banking. Challenges to retail banking. Reason for growth in the retail banking sector. For product and services offered by the retail banking sector, right? So in the module A, we will learn about what all are the retail banking, about the definition, what is the retail banking, then advantages, then prerequisite, then challenges which the industry is facing in the retail banking, then reason for growth in the retail banking sector, product and services offered by the retail banking sector. Then we will have the module B. In module B, we will have the retail product and recovery part, recovery of retail loans, recovery of loan account and all that. So what we will learn in the retail product? Right? So what we will learn in the retail product? We will have customer requirement, then product development process, credit scoring, important retail asset product, credit and debit card, and remittance period. All these things we will cover in the retail bank product and only retail product. Then in recovery part, we will cover repayment in retail loan, default and rescheduling in retail loan, monitoring of loan account, classification of irregular loan account, recovery policy of bank, SARFAESI Act, then DRT Debt Recovery Tribunal, recovery through Lok Adalat and recovery agent, right? So all these things we will cover in the module B about the retail product and the retail recovery. Customer requirement, product development process, credit scoring, important retail asset product, credit and debit card, remittance period, repayment in retail loan, default and rescheduling in retail loan, monitoring of loan account, classification of irregular loan account, then recovery policy of bank, SARFAESI Act, DRT, Lok Adalat and recovery agent. Then in module C, what we will have? In module C, we will have these support services. And what are these support services? These support services are marketing of banking service and product. See, in bank we have lots of product, right? In the area of retail loan and schemes and all that. So module C is covering your marketing in the retail banking. How the bank will go for the marketing in the area of retail banking, then delivery channels in retail banking, customer relationship management in retail banking, service standard for retail banking, technology in retail banking. All these things we will cover in the retail banking area, right? Marketing in retail banking, then delivery channel, customer relationship management in retail, then service standard for retail banking, technology in retail banking. All these things we will cover in the retail banking. So basically we will cover the support services in the retail banking area, right? See, retail banking is always a very scoring subject. Even in CAIIB also that was very scoring subject. So in JAIIB also definitely you will crack this subject in a very good score, and you will get a very good score in the CAIIB retail banking and wealth management. And now in module D we will be having introduction of financial planning. So what we will do in the module D, we will have a more introduction of financial planning, then risk analysis, insurance and retirement planning, investment planning, tax planning and estate planning. All these things we will cover in the module T, right? So we have total module 4, and in YT session also, this is my first class of English medium batch of CAIIB, of JAIIB. So today I have just introduced what all our modules are there in the retail banking, that is module A, module B, module C and module D, right? Yes, this is the live session. You can just tell me if any queries are there, if any question is there, you can ask me. I'm live actually. This is not the recorded one, I'm live. So basically in module A, module B, module C and module D, we will cover all the retail banking and wealth management, right? Module A, B, C and D. So tomorrow onwards I will start from the module A. Morning time, same time 6:30 a.m. I will start with the module A. First of all, I will just tell you what is the definition and description of retail banking. I will start from here, that is introduction of retail banking, and we will have what is the definition, what is the description of retail banking, right? So this is the module, that is module A. B I hope you have already cleared, that is retail product and recovery, a little bit much lengthier than the other modules. Then recovery of retail loan, and module C is all about support services, that is marketing of banking service and product. Module D is all about your financial planning, your retirement planning, investment planning, tax planning and all that, right? So you can have a JAIIB ka Mahapack and CAIIB ka Mahapack, right? And we have the Y666 code for 81% discount. We have all the English medium classes in the morning time, and we have the all the bilingual classes timing in the evening time, right? So all the bilingual classes you can have in the evening time, and all the English medium classes you can have in the morning time. So here I would suggest you should purchase the JAIIB ka Mahapack and CAIIB if you are preparing for CAIIB, and if you are preparing for the JAIIB, I think JAIIB ka Mahapack would be a better option at this time, because it will be covering all the live classes, all the recorded videos, all the ebooks, all the test series, right? So JAIIB ka Mahapack basically a 6 plus 6 month validity we are offering currently. Double validity offer is there. Then you can have the code Y666 for 81% discount. And in JAIIB ka Mahapack all the things are covering, like live classes, numerical batches, recorded video, then test series, ebooks, all that. All these things will be covering in your JAIIB ka Mahapack, right? Any queries you all are having? Yes, Sangeeta, yes. Sangeeta, this is just the expected syllabus module they have covered, right? Module they have covered, module A, module B, module C, module D, right? So basically all these things they have covered, but through that module we have just interpreted it all the topics, right? We have just interpreted it, and no, this is not the exact syllabus, but yes, the module they have provided: introduction of retail banking, then retail product and recovery, support services, marketing of banking service and product. Then module D is all about financial planning. But see, if there is any even inclusion in there, if IIBF they will include anything in the module A, B, C, D, definitely we will cover all those things. So don't worry about that part, right? But module C, module they have already given, na? Module A, module B, module C and module D, that they have given. So based on that we can draw our expected syllabus of JAIIB for retail banking and wealth management. So tomorrow onwards I am going to start with the introduction to retail banking, right? We have total 4 module, and tomorrow onwards we can start here. Apart from that, you have the JAIIB new target batch and JAIIB English medium batch, that is PPB, IEIFS, AFM, RBWM, and here in English medium RBWM I am going to take, right? I am going to take your RBWM in the English medium batch. And here we have the our 3 faculties. So 16 December onwards we are going to start our JAIIB batch. And if you are going for the separate batch, here also you can use the code Y666, 81% discount. But if you are going for the JAIIB ka Mahapek, so today double validity offer is going on, right? So I'll just show you where all these batches are there. If you have any queries, you can ask me, right? Anyone, if you all are having any queries, you can ask me, please. See, this is a JAIIB and CAIIB. So here we are having JAIIB Mahapek and CAIIB Mahapek. You can go for JAIIB Mahapek, right? And we are offering today 81% and double validity. So tomorrow onwards I am going to start with the, see, this is we have in the retail banking. I think here you are able to see, that is first one is the introduction to retail banking, second is retail product and recovery, then third is support services, marketing of banking service product and wealth management, right? And by now then you can go for the Y666, then apply, and the price is 6559 by using code Y666, right? So tomorrow onwards I am going to start your module A. We will start module A, introduction of retail banking. So till then, bye bye, and we'll see you in the next class that is scheduled tomorrow. So daily I am going to connect with all of you, all the English medium aspirants for the JAIIB. From tomorrow onwards 6:30 AM class would be there. So till then, bye bye, and I hope you all are